Peyton.
Peyton, go get Daddy.
Come here, Peyton.
Hey. Where's Daddy? Where's Daddy?
Peyton.
Go get him. Give Daddy a kiss.
Come here, baby.
Give Daddy a kiss.
Come here, baby.
No, go give Daddy a kiss.
Okay, let's go get Mommy. Go get that camera.
Peyton.
Go get the
Peyton,
camera.
look. Peyton. Peyton. You need to turn the TV off. It's on the other side of you. Peyton, come here.
Camera. Get the camera.
Come here. Come here. Come here. Ready, go. Uh-oh. Don't do that. Hey. Hey, where's my kiss? Peyton. Where's my... Give me a kiss. Oh. Where's my kiss? I'm tired. Go give Daddy a hug.
Come here, baby.
So like again?
Hey.
Really?
Hey.
Oh!
Telling you.
No.
I will not be exploited for a camera. You said don't.
I don't know what you're saying. Go to Daddy. No, that's not a game. Hey, stop. Where's Daddy? Look, he's ready. Ready, set, go.
Ready, set, go.
Go, Peyton, go. She's like, screw you, I'm reading a book.
Peyton. Okay, let's do dinner and all that.
I already got